Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a healthy salmon carbonara using these ingredients: carrots, onions, garlic, minced salmon, light coconut milk, Parmesan cheese, cooking butter, pasta, parsley, salt, and vegetable oil. Cook the pasta, put to a boil some quantity of water, add a bit of salt and some quantity of vegetable oil to prevent the pasta from sticking. Once the pasta is partially cooked, drain the water and set aside for the next step. Cook all the veggies for 2 minutes. Once it's done, put in a blender and blend until it is almost pureed. In a cooking pot, add some quantity of butter, allow to melt, pour in the minced salmon and allow to cook until flaky. Once it's done, pour the blended vegetables, add some salt, parsley and coconut cream and allow to cook for 5 minutes. Once this is done, pour in the Parmesan cheese and mix with the vegetable mixture. Allow this to cook for another 2 minutes. Pour the partially cooked pasta in the creamy sauce and mix until it's fully incorporated. Guys, if you want a healthy carbonara recipe, you definitely need to give this a try. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more amazing mouth-watering recipes. Thanks guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Always remember, you are greatly loved by God. Bye guys.